Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about large data operations. In the previous class we learned about different type of data storage such as text file, the spreadsheet as well as databases. Now before I start, I would request you to like this video and follow our channel on YouTube. Especially if you're watching it on YouTube, you simply need to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. Let's begin. When we write programs to connect different data storages, and let me draw a quick diagram to easily visualize it. This is our program. This is where we are going to write our instructions or code, and this is our data storage. It is on the hard disk. That means if we restart our computer or shut down our program, we will still be able to retrieve our data. And this is our data storage. This data storage can be anything. It can be a database, it can be a text file. We learned about it in the last class. Now at high level, any computer program performs certain number of tasks, certain type of tasks on this data. In majority of the cases, we read data or we write data. We also go and delete some data. Suppose a student doesn't exist, a book is lost, you don't want to store the book from the library, you may want to go and delete that data. If you have some data issues, we entered wrong data, we want to recreate it, either we can go back and update the data or delete and recreate it. So either you want to update an existing data or delete and create. In majority of the cases, you don't want to delete it, primarily because you want to store the history. So mostly you update it. You also read a list of the data. If you notice it, suppose you have list of books. What do you want to, you will see on a web page, you will see list of all the books. From these books, I can go ahead and create a new book. Suppose you are a librarian, you want to see list of all the books in your library, and you can go ahead and create a new book here. You can add a new book as it comes in the library, or you can open one book and go ahead and update the list, update it. In the update, you can say the book's title has changed or a new version of the book has come. In that case, in fact, you want to create a new book and update the version number and all. But at a high level, as I say, these four operations are collectively referred as CRUD, C-R-U-D. And you will hear this word more often. That is create, C for create, R for read, U for update, and D for delete. In any program, computer program you write, you are dealing with these four operations, which is create, read, update, and delete. You also perform some more operations such as search. You are trying to look for a particular book from your list of books, then you want to perform some search. You also want to do some sort of filtering. You want to bring only the books which were which came in the market in this year 2022. Or you can also do some sort of sorting. I want to see the list of all the books alphabetically, or I want to see the list of all the books by author's name. So the searching, filtering, sorting are some additional operations a program performs on the data. In all of this, the most important thing is you always optimize it so that reading and writing data to the database or from the database is fast. You don't want to take a lot of time. If your program is taking a lot of time to retrieve the information, to read the information from the database, or to write the information back from the database, then your user of your program will get frustrated. Remember, you are the developer. You are the one who will create this program and give it to others to use it. So it is important to optimize it. That's all in today's class. If you have question, feel free to post it in the community on our platform, that is my.codemode.us, and you would get an answer. On our platform, you should take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning!